This is the code for our gate system with a keypad lock. Here we define all our variables. This is the layout of our keypad. Here we establish our connections to our row pinouts and column pinouts. This is the place where you can change your password. This is the void setup, which is basically the initial setup of our program. This is the void loop, which is the function that will repeat itself. Here, the star symbol represents the delete button, which will delete the whole password. The hashtag symbol represents enter, which will help the user enter the password. If the password is correct, the RGB LED turns green and the gate will open. If the password is incorrect, the red LED stays on and the gate does not open and the buzzer starts to beep.